Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Now it's time to play and talk about Giada, the C2 piece on page 11 of the piano exam pieces ABRSM grade 2, still the 2019 and 2020, like some of the previous ones arriving a bit late, but the exams are about to start. Now, I want to play first and then I will give you a few advices, yeah? Playing first of all at the official speed, that is 116. Indeed, before you start, exactly like I did now, sing a little bit the first few notes, first few bars of the melody. Da da tipa tipa pa di 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 da. And you get indeed mood, rhythm and speed all together. Okay, this is Giada at, let's say, the official speed. Now I want to play at slower speed and then I will tell you a few things. For example, I might do something like around 80. Yeah, could be definitely enough, maybe, yeah? Pa, pa, de, pa, ti, pa. And maybe to simplify and to really keep the speed up to the end, I will maybe keep the metronome on, yeah? To make it easy. Okay, now time to talk about the main things of this one. Is a really rich of things, is full of things, from the staccato to the slurs to the accents. Not many times you've seen maybe this accent will require even more energy than the accent that is made with a V open on the left and let's say this one, yeah? So is even sharper accent this one, yeah, we might say. Let's indeed follow bar by bar now. Staccato, staccato, slur, breathe, obviously release, but there is also the rest. Then try to imagine that this one is definitely louder than this. Imagine a kind of diminuendo. Kind of, yeah? Then in between these two notes, the F and the E, remember to release because this is the ending of the slur, the three-note slur. Normally you simply respect the tie, keep the mezzo forte, obviously. in between the D and the G, that is staccato. So the D is the last of the slur, the G is staccato. Remember to breathe. Obviously the G shouldn't be really connected to the E, because this is a dotted crotchet and this is a staccato note. So you have to split these two notes. Yeah, I did the tam pa, pam pa, you see, pam pam. Would be fantastic if you can do this. And obviously also when you move from the E to the first notes of the bar number 6, first of the second line, you have to definitely split them. I'm playing now again from the end of the first line to the beginning of the second line. This is what happened. So again in slow motion. You see, I'm releasing, I'm articulating, I'm doing the famous wrist staccato, yeah? Let's carry on. We have obviously the slur on the left. The last one has to be released as usual, but there is also the staccato that helps you even more. This one has to be definitely, imagine that there is a real diminuendo on top, is a 2-note slur. Don't hold the E for too long, otherwise we miss the rest in between the counts. Same situation, slur, staccato. This piano is quite interesting, yeah? Yeah, but there is nothing really special. Simply have to really focus your attention. Nothing else to say. Yeah, if we want to respect really strictly the music sheet, this line shouldn't really end on the D, or not even on the following notes, the ones in the beginning of bar 19. You should definitely end the small slur on the C, detach the D, and move to the next. It's a bit strange, I understand. In respect of what we see, let's do exactly what is written. It should be da da dee da 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 dee da da. Because if, for example, we had the slur ending on the D, it would have been da da dee da 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 dee da da. You see, connecting all of them. But since you have to end on the C, should be, and then you move to the next. These are small details, I understand, only if you want to really raise your level of attention. The last note of a jada, I suggest to play usually using 2 fingers, because it's really unlikely that the little finger get this note, and it's not wrong. It's not wrong at all to play 2 notes, 1 note with 2 fingers at once, 1 and 3, in this way, yeah? I don't think that there is anything else that should be explained. It's a piece full of things. It's a jazzy, it's a swing, obviously. You have to apply the swing, not the straight eighth, not 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's it. If there is any question, feel free to contact me by commenting. Thank you very much for today.